In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eToro Watchlist. By the end, you'll have a clean, customized list of assets you care about and know how to monitor them quickly and confidently. First, open your watchlist. Start by logging into eToro. On the left-hand menu, you'll see Watchlist. Click that to open the main watchlist area. This is the hub where all your saved assets live, and it's the fastest place to check what's moving without diving into full charts. If this is your first time here, you'll likely see a default list, but we're going to create your own. Next, create a new watch list so you can keep things organized. At the top, find the My Watchlist dropdown. Click it, then choose Create New List. Give your list a clear, memorable name that matches its purpose, like long-term stocks, crypto monitoring, or ETFs to research. Naming it well helps you instantly recognize what's inside and avoid mixing short-term ideas with long-term holdings. Once you've named it, confirm to create the empty list. Now, add assets. Use the search bar to look up what you want to track. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, an ETF, or even a commodity. Type in the asset's name or ticker, then select it. On the asset page, or in the search results, click Add to Watchlist, or simply tap the star icon next to the asset. As soon as you do, it will appear in your new watch list. Repeat this for each asset you want to follow. If you're building a theme like tech stocks or large cap cryptos, add a few at once so you get a meaningful snapshot when you check in later. Finally, manage your watch list effectively. From this single screen, you can view price changes and those handy mini charts that give you a quick sense of momentum without opening full analysis tools. If you're ready to act, you can click buy or sell directly from the list, which is perfect when markets move and you need speed. To cut through the noise, use the filters to display only what you want, such as stocks, ETFs, commodities, or crypto. Filters are especially useful if your list mixes different asset types and you want a focused view. That's it. You've logged in, opened your watch list, created a new list with a clear name, added the assets you care about, and learned how to monitor and filter them with buy and sell just a click away. Keep refining your list as your strategy evolves, and use those mini charts and filters to stay efficient every time you log in.